Find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the line given by 5x minus y equals 30. To find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0 and we solve for x. So we have 5x minus 0 equals 30, or 5x equals 30, or dividing both sides by 5, x equals 6. This tells us then that the x-intercept of the line is the point 6, 0. To find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0 and solve for y. So we have 5 times 0 minus y equals 30. 0 minus y equals 30. Multiplying, or the opposite of y equals 30. Multiplying both sides by -1, we then have y equals -30. And that tells us then that the y-intercept of the line is the point 0, -30.